making a train station.
Why?
Because to like really know what we want to do in the future for careers.
Just like doing teamwork and all that, teamwork's good.
£2 a day for normal, £8, 3 to 7 days.
So it's really cool because it's like really all inclusive. We have all different toilets. We have a pay pit in case anyone will want it.
We are making paper straw bridges.
Is this better than being in a normal lesson?
Yeah,
Why?
definitely.
Why?
Because it's just like creative, using your mind.